How to create a group in Telegram. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is just open up your Telegram application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Then after logging into your account, all you have to do is tap on this pencil icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then tap on new group as you want to create a new group, and all you have to do is just add up the people who would want to have in the group. You can add up to 22 lakh members. So you just have to select on the people that you want to add in this group, and then you can create a group over here, and you can create a new group or you can create a group name as well. So let's create a name as well over here, and then tap on the tick mark. And there you go, you have successfully created a group in Telegram. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.